Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about batch leads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question. Keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a batch leads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a batch leads account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a wholesaler, you know that having a fresh set of leads coming in can keep your business moving forward. Whatever the case is, it's all handled here in their website, BatchLeads.io. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a batch leads account, you're going to click on here, free trial. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and log in with your Google, Facebook, Apple, or you can do what I do and use your email. So I'm going to enter my email address in off screen. Okay, I'm going to click on continue. Okay, next they're asking me to create a password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in and click on continue. Okay, next, in order to create your account, BatchLeads does require you to choose a plan and enter in your personal information and your credit card details. They do let you know you're not going to be billed for 7 days because they're running a 7-day free trial. Check my video description for the most recent promotion. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose pay monthly right here. And I'm going to use the growth plan. And you can see in the summary here, total due 119, but that's going to be after the 7-day free trial. So I'm going to enter all this information in off screen. Okay, next it's asking me to verify the code that was sent to my email. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that code and enter it in here. Okay, next, BatchLeads brings me to my dashboard. So they're going to ask me a few questions about my experience. So let's go ahead and just fill this out. How many deals do I close each month? What are my goals? Biggest challenges? Okay, now it lets me into my account, so I can go ahead and start building out my lists and searching for properties. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a batch leads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.